Johnny, this is for you, buddy. Ended up with the 08 93 Sport Combi. One owner car, company car. Pretty well maintained, not a lot of service history on the Carfax. A few little pieces of paperwork here and there, but the company did sell and change hands, and this car was sent from the North Carolina location down to my location. So the oil change sticker says the oil change is due at 1/48 or December 2018, and the car only has 145,000 miles, so the car has literally just been sitting. But it runs really well. It runs cool. Transmission shifts good. It's got good power. The turbo sounds nice. No funny clunk. I mean, it's solid as a rock. The only thing is I can feel the air conditioner get colder and then get cool, and then it gets colder and it gets cool. So it seems like I kind of notice it more when I'm accelerating, that it gets cooler. So not sure if it needs just a shot of Freon, but the compressor is working, and you know, it's 91 degrees today, so it feels pretty good overall. I mean, I'm comfortable in the car, but it's on high. I do have a left side mounted turn signal that is out, and I double checked it and it is out, the one that's mounted on the little fender. But pretty cool little car. Heated seats, power sunroof. Seats are decent. They've got a little wear on the seat bottoms, but they're not torn up. The dash is not cracked. Everything's clean, non-smoker, smells good, smells kind of like a Saab. But yeah, so I'm just now driving it home from picking it up. I paid $3,000 for it. I hope I don't regret it, but it seems like a pretty solid purchase. It was a hot day today, and I just kind of checked all the basics and gave it the once over, and paid the man and left. He was asking $3,500, and I offered him $3,000 and he took it. So I could have offered a little less, but oh well. I'm pretty happy so far. The little car's got tons of power, so look for more videos to come. I have owned 200 to 300 cars and have never owned a Saab, so I hope it's not a Saab story, even though the Saab story is pretty sad. I just hope my story with a Saab is not Saab and sad. See y'all later. Peace. Alright, gonna do a startup. It's a hot start, and boy is it hot. Well, she sounds pretty good to me. General Motors Corporation. So I guess this is the 2-liter turbo that they put in the Buick Regal? Question mark? I don't know. But it runs good, and it's got lots of power. Needs to be waxed something fierce, because it's black, and the headlights need to be done, so I gotta jump on that. Got a decent set of Cooper radials all the way around. They have about 50% tread, and they're all dead even on the wear. It doesn't look like a lot of excessive wear, just a little bit of scratching here in the handle, and just some basic wear here in the leather, just where it's kind of worn off, but there's no cracking and no tears, so it's really seems to be in good shape. Oh, unlock. Not a lot of rear seat space. Hey, some work gloves, cool. Not a lot of rear seat space, so I was really surprised by that. Not a lot of room, but we got family haulers. Sold new at Saab of Wilmington, North Carolina. Got some scarring along there. Trunk pretty clean, needs a good detail. 2.0 T. Yeah, got some little door dings and stuff down the side, but I'll get this all cleaned up. I'll get her shined up, looking like a new one. So, like, hell, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about the Sport Combi. Y'all have a good one. See you.